What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So 2 weeks later, it's been 2 weeks later, I got my car back. So I had to send out the ECU to Femto. Shout out to PQ Performance. They helped me out, so they sent it out. We got it back today, so we are on our way to go pick it up. Got the homie right here. So yeah, we're on our way. Well, it's not too bad. 38-minute drive. So yeah, I'm very excited. Can't wait to get it back and running. I'm super excited. It's been too long without my car. So once I get there, I'll show you guys, and then we'll do some POV driving videos and show you guys a first impression. And I'm gonna be on E50, so yeah, flex fuel. When I sent out the ECU, it only took about a week, but I had dropped my car off a week beforehand because I was gonna be out of town for work. So they took care of everything for me. So yeah, just arrived back today. Literally took about, I want to say like 10 days. So I also got a custom ROM, so it'll be for anti-lag and obviously launch control, stuff like that. And for the Femo unlock, it was around about $1,000, and then custom ROM was like 200, and then I had to get the BM3 license, which that's like $500. So yeah, pretty pricey, but I also had Ecutech. Reason why I didn't go with Ecutech is because I've been hearing different things that you need to clone your ECU, so I'm not too sure, and I didn't want to risk it. So I just went with BM3. So, and I already came with the car, so might as well. So if you guys are interested in Ecutech for my Super Boys, hopefully I get some Super followers here now. DM me on my Instagram, but yeah, I'll show you guys once we get there. I forgot I wasn't in sports mode.
Sweet.
That's it.
Well, boys.
That's his art.
Happy guy, happy car, happy life.
Appreciate you guys, bro. Appreciate you, bro.
Let it know when you want to do the
Yeah, I'll probably, because I'll be out of town for work. Bro, that shit's sick.
Clean it up.
Hell yeah.
Alright.
This is fucking loud. Hellcats, where you at?
Want to do it again from the back? Alright, boys, we're out here with Carlos.
Let me see.
Alright, go. Talk.
Damn, bro. I absolutely love it. So, when I get home, can you see me?
Mm-hmm.
When I get home, I'm gonna go to the. Oh, they just shit. I'm gonna go to the BM3 and buy the OTS map for E50, and then I'm gonna come back to get a custom tune from PQ. So yeah, dude, this shit. I missed it so much. 2-3 weeks without my car. It's crazy. Bro, are they gonna go or what?
Don't miss parking.
All right, guys, so now that we are back home, I'm gonna go ahead and get my new wheels installed. Let me just show you guys how beefy this thing is. So I'm gonna be running a Nito 305 45 by 17 Gunas beadlocks S2 or S906s, I believe. I'm not too sure, but hopefully I don't rub. So I'm gonna just try one right now. If it rubs, then I might have to roll the fenders. And if that doesn't work, if I'm too low, then, and I'm just on, I think Ibachi or however you say that, springs. So if that doesn't work, then I do have to go with adjustable springs. Due to the fact that this does have dampening features, so like when you put it in sports mode, and I don't want to lose that, that's why I'm not going to go with coils. So I'm going to do adjustable springs if anything. But I mean, hopefully it works. This is usually like the perfect spec for the Supra, or my BMW, I should say. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the car jacked up, and then hopefully everything fits, and we'll see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. What do you guys think? Is it gonna rub? Dude, that shit looks so good. Now let's go ahead and do the honors. So, bro, you seen that? Bro, just because of the exhaust. Well, boys. Nah, but he let me go, though. He was chill. Yeah. Yeah, he was like, pop the hood. But he was like, this shit's dope. But the good thing is, I told him I bought it like that. So he was like, and then since I have the temp tags, he believed it, so he let me go. I know, right? All right, bro, take care. You guys ready? Bro, this thing looks so good. Oh my God. So now I just need to get, well, I need to get a set of actual wheels, and then I'm gonna just run those on the front and then with the welds in the back. I'm probably gonna put the stock ones back on, but I just wanted to see how it looks, and then, yeah. But honestly, this thing looks beautiful. All right, so hopefully you guys could hear me. I don't have my mic plugged in right now. I have no idea where I left it. So, yeah, we got it back. Right now it's on a stage 2 91 map. So should be around 400 to 420 to the wheels. The mods are pretty much full bolt-on stock turbo. So you got a charge pipe, downpipe, catless downpipe, intake, and just full titanium exhaust. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'll give you guys some little sound clips slash flybys. Car's warmed up right now. And like I said, I'm sorry if it doesn't sound all that great. I don't have my mic right now, so it might sound better actually. You guys hear more outside noises. I almost stepped on the clutch. Sometimes I forget it's an automatic. Don't make fun of me. You guys could hear the turbo whistle like crazy though. Turn traction control completely off, so I'll do a little pull right here. just got pulled over yesterday too. I had to let off. This is just... So compared to the all-wheel drive, you definitely feel a big difference. But I mean, this shit moves. So it makes up for it. And it's like, it's fun. I do miss having a manual though, I will say that. I mean, in this car it's still fun. But yeah, definitely driving a manual is a little more fun for me. I do miss it. But I'll get another BB down the road. Done doing pulls. I'll try to get a couple POV driving videos for you guys. Oh, this shit moves. I don't know why, but I think the latch, well, I have a carbon fiber hood, so I don't know if like something's wrong with the latch or something, but it always says like randomly hood open, but it's obviously not open. So I have to check on that. And I was supposed to turn right there. Look, we got a Subi right there. So every time I see a Subi, I still do the Subi wave, but sometimes they don't wave back, and I'm pretty sure they just look at me like, this guy's crazy. But yeah, I'm a Subi boy at heart. I'll never forget where I came from. So, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely do more POV driving videos and go to meets, stuff like that. And if you guys have any ideas on what you guys want to see as for content, be sure to comment down below, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.